Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be talking about security inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Specifically, we're going to be covering how you can set up two-factor authentication inside of your accounts to prevent, well, any bad actors from coming in, stealing everything you've worked so hard to create and everything you've set up for your business, right? Now, with that said, let's go ahead and head over to my screen here. We'll walk through everything step by step. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our Quick Start Blueprint ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Now, starting from our ClickFunnels dashboard, let's go ahead and click on the little icon down here in the bottom left side of the screen that one has the icon for your team, and secondly will say the name of the workspace. Click on that directly and you should see a little pop-up that will display all of the workspaces that you are connected to, or all the teams rather. From here, all we need to do is click on user settings, and just like that you'll be brought to your profile. From here you'll see an option that says two-factor authentication right underneath your update profile settings here. All you have to do is click on enable, and it should show a new pop-up on the screen just like this, where it's going to essentially ask you to go in and scan the barcode here using either Authy or Google Authentication. So use the one that's right for you. Just download the app directly to your smartphone, whether it's Android or Apple, it doesn't matter. Download the correct app and scan this code right here into your account. All right, now once you've done so, it will then prompt you with the code that you can use to finalize the setup here. So give me a second, I'll do it on my end and show you what that looks like. Now, once you have the app of your choice downloaded, make sure to go inside, log in, and you should see somewhere on the screen the ability to add whether it's a setup key or a QR code. In this case, we're using Google Authenticator, so this is what it's going to look like. We're going to go ahead and use the scan a QR code option there. Go ahead and click on that. From there, it'll scan the QR code on the screen, and just like that, we should find that it is added successfully inside of our account. Now let's go ahead and enter in that code that they're giving us. On this next screen, it's going to give you some security codes or recovery codes that you're going to want to store in a safe place. If you use something like LastPass, you can essentially attach it to your login credentials, or you can go in and store it in a notebook or something. I would either way have it in a secure location that is going to be password protected at a minimum, so that way, any bad actors that might have access to it or might find these can't actually get in and find the codes to get into your account. So there's that. Make sure to copy this and again save it to a safe place before moving on. Now, once we have those tucked away in a safe place, go ahead and click on enable 2FA now, and after that proceed. And just like that, two-factor authentication is set up for your account. Now it's going to be a little bit harder for unwanted visitors to come in and break into your account, right? So with that said, hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions around this process at all, feel free to let me know down below. Otherwise, have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.